Okay, so we're gonna be comparing this two, and we're gonna be detangling our hair with this two just to see how they can perform and apply. So this is £1, and this is
£5.50.
Hi lovelies, Carrie's here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I've got my beautiful, talented daughter Grace on set with me.
Hello. So today we're going to be reviewing these two conditioners. So first I'm going to be starting with this one. So it says Argan oil conditioner with Moroccan argan oil extracts. So the ingredients are upward water, some things I can't really read, seed oil, olive fruit oil, and I can't really pronounce the others. So this is what it looks like, and it has 300 ml. Oh, we got it for £1.
Yeah, I think we got it from Poundland for £1. So that's quite good. So we're gonna be trying this out today. We're gonna kind of detangle. Yeah, we're gonna detangle with this.
The next conditioner is this. So it says L'Oreal Paris Elvive Nourishing Conditioner with precious flower oils, dry to very dry hair. The ingredients are aqua water, something, and other things I can't really pronounce either. So
Can't pronounce them.
I can't really pronounce. There's basically the same things on two of them. So this is what it looks like, and it has 500 ml. £5.50, I think.
Yeah, so this is kind of £5.50, and this is £1. So we're gonna be comparing this two, and we're gonna be detangling our hair with this two just to see how they kind of perform and apply. So this is £1, and this is
£5.50. So we're going to be starting with this one, the argan oil.
So first step, we need to kind of spritz our hair with water. Our hair is already parted.
Should we start with the left?
Yes. So my hair is actually 4B hair, and yours is
4C.
Yeah, Grace is 4C. Yes, we have to take a tiny bit out.
Yeah.
And
We'll pack it with one of these.
yeah.
So now we're going to take the conditioner and put it on our hair. We're just going to try and splat it on our hair, sorry. So first I'm going to try and smell it and see how it smells. So now I'm going to take a squirt, just a little. Mum, how do you think it smells?
Oh my god. It smells really nice actually.
Really?
Yeah, it does.
Wow, it really does. It smells very nice.
All conditioners tend to smell nice, to be fair.
True.
Oh my god, it's
But
very...
some conditioners don't really have smell. So.
Yeah, I mean, what does it smell like?
Like, I don't know, for some reason it smells like a flower I've smelt before.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, it does smell nice. It does smell nice.
And for some reason it reminds me of lavender.
Ah.
Yeah.
Lavender. Okay. And it feels really sticky, and it's quite creamy actually.
Yeah.
Very creamy.
Now we have to put it on the part we took, and we have to comb. We have to use our fingers to comb through it. No point of using a proper comb, because sometimes if you like have 4C hair like me. Wait, do I have 4C hair?
I think so.
If you have 4C hair like me, and then it's really thick, if you use comb, sometimes it might break.
Yeah, it might break the hair. So we normally finger detangle, because it's just, you know, you get rid of any snags like so. So when you finger detangle, you can easily see a snag like this. See? So my hair has snags like so, then I'm just trying to open it. So it's gentle on the hair when you finger detangle. Do you need more for your hair? Put it more on your hair, because your hair is quite thick.
True.
So we tend to slap a lot of conditioner in. What song are you humming?
Nothing.
It's very key to do the ends as well as the roots.
Yeah. Because a lot of times the end is very like thick, So you can just do this.
I'm gonna sprinkle more water in mine just to give it more sleek.
Sure, makes it soft.
I think it feels really nice.
Yeah,
It's a
really
nice
like
sleek.
combed through because of this.
So it does detangle the hair.
Yeah,
It has detangled mine.
it does it quite good.
It gives it a very nice sleeked.
And it gives the hair quite a nice smell.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we've detangled it quite well.
It's just detangled.
Yep. Going through completely.
Wow.
Very good. This conditioner is actually quite good then. Because it's went through my hair very well and it's worked. It just feels so sloppy. It goes down your hair very, very well.
Yeah, it has like a nice slip to it. So it just has it easily, you can easily run your fingers through because obviously it has a nice slip to it.
And for afro hair like this, it's actually quite good.
Yeah.
I'm saying. So I have to say it's quite good for full C and full B hair.
It's detangling it.
Yeah.
So, you know, if it's detangling it, then, you know, it does the job.
So my hair's now detangled. It feels really soft and nice and very fluffy actually. But
Yeah.
still just goes through very nicely. I really like it.
Yeah, mine as well. It just worked like a dream on it. This is I like the slip of this one. It just slips really easy.
Yeah.
And it just has a nice slip, so it's easy to kind of detangle. Now I'm running my fingers through and it just comes out. It just feels like a dream and it's soft as well. Well done, Grace. You did a good job in detangling your hair.
Thank you.
Yeah. So
The back's done. So it feels really soft and it's very we now know that this argan oil conditioner is actually very soft and goes through everything.
yeah, that's that one done.
So now we're going to be moving on to this conditioner, the L'Oreal Elvive.
Yeah. So first step first, we're gonna spritz water into our hair.
Like we done for this side.
So what the water does, it just makes it really manageable.
You put water, it makes it easier, so when you put the conditioner, you can easily go through
Yeah.
the hair. So now we need to start putting the conditioner. I'm just gonna take a little swat. Do you want some?
Yeah.
So it's like it looks quite peach. It looks like a peach from different ones.
Yeah, it looks like a dull, kind of creamy.
And gold a little.
Yeah, a bit of a gold sheen to it.
It smells very nice. Like, yeah,
Is there much of a difference, do you think, with the other one?
not really.
Yeah, there's not much of a difference, actually.
But this one I'm going through quicker.
Is there?
Yeah.
I can't really see any much.
It just, like, every type of conditioner to me smells like flowers. I don't know why. Yeah. It smells like either flowers or plants. I don't know why.
Yeah, flowers are nice, I guess. Yeah.
Maybe a lot of people like to put flower scents for... To me, it just smells like that. I don't know why, but...
Your fingers are going through okay?
Yeah, very well.
Yeah. So it's detangling okay. Should we spritz more water in?
Yeah, I think we should. Yeah. All the conditioner is like is blopping on the floor because like I am detangling it, but like because I put quite a lot of water and it's mixing with the conditioner, it's like blopping on the floor when I do this.
It feels really nice. I think I like it. I like this conditioner.
Very well. Do you
I
like
don't-
it more than the other?
I don't know. I don't know if I like it more than the other, but I actually like this one. I like the feel of it.
I can't really choose between the other one and this one, but by price, I think I like the pounding one.
The £1.
Yeah, way
'cause
better.
it's cheaper, right?
Because the one we're using now is £5.50, way over.
Yeah. Have you finished? Is yours detangled?
Yeah.
You can run your fingers through?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, I've now finished the section on my hair now, so we're about to do the last final piece, which is the back. Sprinkling water, yeah, we sprinkle water, then we put it on our hand and then we slap it on. So now, this is what we've used.
Yeah, so we've just used the Elvive one and it looks really nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it looks really nice. So in terms of my view on this Elvive one, it has a bit of gold speck.
Yeah, because here, when I put it on here, it has some gold places over here, and I know you can't really see it properly, but it's been going like really gold since we put it on.
Yeah, it has a bit of sparkle on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it has a bit of sparkle on it. I think because it has gold. Have a look.
Yeah, it looks like a little gold.
Yeah, it has some gold speck on it. Yeah,
looks quite silvery gold.
Yeah, but it smells nice. It says it's got it's got
precious flower oils.
Yeah, it's got precious flower oils in there.
I knew it smelled like flowers.
Yeah, but it does detangle the hair okay. Which would you say you like best? This or this?
From my view, I think I like this better.
For the price, it's £1.
Yeah.
And this is £5.50.
But not just because of the price, really. It's also because that one was giving gold. This one, it just does it normal.
I think
that's good.
Yeah, for the argan oil one, it's quite soft. The argan oil feels softer as compared to this Elvive one, the L'Oreal one. So this argan oil feels really soft as compared to this for me. The argan oil one has a lot of slick. So the £1 one has a lot of slick. We did argan oil hair, and this one it's okay. It does detangle the hair, but it doesn't have as much slick as this one does.
I think that both of them are quite soft, but it's just the only reason why I like this one better is because it smells nice.
You like this one better, yeah?
Yeah. It goes through very well, and it's very soft too. But by the softness, I can't really say because both of them are really soft too.
Yeah. So far so good. I am loving this one more than this one. Grace, which are you loving more? This one. So far this one is winning. This one is okay. So they both detangle the hair, didn't they?
Yeah.
They both detangle the hair, okay. But I prefer this for the softness. This says it has 6 precious oil in it. And it came with some gold tint to it. It has a bit of gold on it. I don't really fancy that. We're just gonna wash up our hair and we're gonna come back with our final views on this. So
now we've washed our hair, so then we tied it with a t-shirt, so now we're going to take it off. So we used the argan oil for this side and we used Elvive for this side. So Mum, what do you think of the argan oil?
Now that I've washed it out, it looks okay. The hair looks detangled. It looks nice. I think it looks clean. It looks soft.
So it's soft and clean and...
Yeah, it looks soft now that we've taken it out.
Okay.
What do you think on yours?
It's very soft right now. And compared to this one's very, very, very soft. Surprisingly.
So it does feel nice for the Elvive one. All the good speck, they came off yours, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, all the good specks came off.
It's just came off.
Yeah,
Good.
so it's which is softer, you know. I think maybe this is the argan oil side is softer. Yes, it's softer than the Elvive one.
Both of them feel quite soft, but this one's like really soft. This one's quite soft.
So they both work as
well.
a detangler. They both work okay. So there's no much difference. There's not much difference, is there, in yours?
By price, it's argan oil.
Yeah.
By softness, argan oil.
In terms of detangling the hair,
Both.
Yeah.
So basically, argan oil wins.
Yeah.
Sorry, Elvive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.